What people been asking what really are going with the Tamale Sparta situation, how we not hearing about it, what really are going. You see, we're here to talk about it today. So if it's your first time here, share, subscribe now, click the bell icon to turn on your post notification.
I mean, I say from here the voice, I don't know King Breezy, the Rich Badness boss, I represent with Just Vibes Radio. Fully Rich Badness.
Welcome back to the channel. As you may know, Tamale Sparta has been in custody for nearly about 2 months now, right? So today was the day my viewers, subscribers, in which Tamale Sparta was supposed to appear before a judge, and yes, it did happen. However, secretly, that is the reason why we never hear much about it. But we have information as to what really happened from a really reliable and close source, and we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk as to why it is this case, as to why the media is excluded from the picture. My viewer subscribers, so prayer. This so first let me just say this, is a Tamale Sparta went before the judge today. However, it was done on camera, which simply means that all media personnel or personalities or whatever the case may be, they were excluded. So they never have any reach or any access to the hearing. Going forward, it would be like this. Same thing for Mavado son trial. It is being tried secretly. Now, my viewers, subscribers, after we hear say Tamale went before a judge today, you see it is said that he is now still in custody and will appear before a judge again on the 3rd of February. Now, I really did ask myself as to why them keep on extend the date, I remind him and I push the date further. Even though JCF did mention that the hearing was supposed to be last week Wednesday, which I think was the 8th, and then them say that today, which is the 13th, which is also Wednesday. And for here now, say him turn up, and them say we are gonna push back the case to the 3rd of February, and hopefully see him when February come, because we really and truly would love to see the DJ go road or their road, or at least make we hear what the sentence like, because if they keep on, it don't look good when somebody's keep on being in remand. You keep on do your remand, and you can't get a court date, or the date can't finalize as to when they're gonna charge you. You see it? Now, me also hear say him lie, them that try see if them can get bail. However, them must say no bail now run right now. You see it? And me never know why if he's being remanded, right, in custody, and a bail application was sent to request bail for the DJ, why them decline the bail request? You get me? We still not, as me say, details are sketchy at this point because everything is being done secretly, but all information that I have now is that yes, they did go before a judge today on camera. However, they must say the next date is February the 3rd. Still never give an answer today as to what the charge he might face, how many years, even though we know technically he's looking to face up to 5 years. Is it up to 5 years, 5 to 6 years? Hopefully it is less, you get me, because as me say, an entertainer, and we all love entertainer, even though them do a whole heap of foolishness, you get me, viewers, subscribers. But that's pretty much it right now. Hopefully everything go as planned. I heard that his lawyer is confident that he will not do 5 years. Hopefully, because them I'm liar and things, so them know the game. I'm not even a liar, so I don't know. You get me? But my viewers, subscribers, comment in the comment section below what you think. You get me? No think the DJ will be free or think him at him time. Comment in the comment section below. Until next time, Just Vibes Radio. I'm out.